Hello, dear investors and partners of the Electroatom project. Today, we are once again at the Innovation and Development Workshop of Tribel-Technology. And here we have a significant number of exciting changes and new innovations to show you. Friends, as always, we'll start with our most relevant topic, the full automation of our power plant. I'd like to mention that a formal contract has been signed with the specific company that will handle our automation, and right now they are currently standing by and waiting for the advance payment. Friends, as you can clearly see behind me right now, our main regenerator and the tribogenerator itself are no longer here. This simply means that we have completely removed this equipment, and this change will not affect the overall automation in any way. Primarily because this specific part of the power plant is not directly related to the automation systems at all. I would like to remind you that this automation will directly affect several key units, such as the main air supply system. That includes our main compressor, the essential air preparation unit, which is the dryer, and the entire air supply network itself. That covers it, no? We have the air supply, and right over here we previously had a feeder unit, but please note that it no longer takes part in this specific process. In the automation process. So why exactly did we decide to remove this old recovery unit? Well, it was because it was created by us in-house, and now there is professional equipment readily available on the market. We have already placed an order for this new gear, and it will be arriving here very soon. This is a sophisticated recuperation system that is already fully automated, and we can easily control it directly from the computer exactly how we want to do it. That's it. We also removed the tribogeneration unit. Why did we do this? Because we are currently embarking on the full-scale development of a brand new unit, a new tribogenerator with a capacity of 128 kilowatts. The 16 kilowatt unit is something we understand completely and thoroughly. We know exactly how it works, and now based on that foundation, we will engineer and construct a 128 kilowatt unit. This represents an entirely new era, a significant new chapter in the ongoing development of the Electroatom project. A roadmap is already being developed, which will include all the stages, how much funding is needed, what capacities are required, and so on and so forth. Every detail of this plan will be outlined in the roadmap. This roadmap will be posted on our official social media platforms. You will all be able to view and observe it for yourselves. Now, my dear friends, let's move a little further along, and I'll tell you exactly what else we are planning to achieve here in Tribel-Technology. And this unit that we removed, the recovery unit, we are definitely still going to need it for our operations. You can see it right here, can't you? Now it will be a regular cyclone, and it will help us in our future work. So what exactly else will we do here? Here we will set up a sandblasting chamber, and here we will install a specialized painting chamber, a polymer painting chamber. Why exactly do we need this? We specifically need this process for applying a high-quality wear-resistant coating. As you all likely know by now, or perhaps some of you here don't and are actually hearing about this for the very first time, Tribel-Technology has a new development, and it is already fully operational. Yes, this is a highly specialized and wear-resistant polymer coating that we have selected for its durability. We will be applying this protective layer to the critical internal parts and various assemblies of our compressor to ensure that the system lasts significantly longer and operates more reliably without wearing out. That is why we are setting up a dedicated small-scale installation right here in this workspace. As you can see, our furnace is already here and ready for use as well. We are planning to upgrade its operational capabilities quite a bit further, and it will serve for the long-term benefit and growth of Tribel-Technology. Our mini power plant is also in the process of being improved. So what exactly is it that we are doing here? We want it to run not from the compressor, but from the turbine. I am going to show all of you this turbine now, my friends. Take a look. This is an ordinary turbine. Right here we have a regular turbine, and our goal is to make it run specifically from this turbine setup. It works like this. If we supply a stream of air right here, let's turn on our, I believe it is called a sluice feeder. Yes, and then we start blowing air into here with the turbine. Then we will see the powder coming out from this opening here. There, the powder is coming out. Well, this really shouldn't be happening at all. So what exactly do you think is going wrong here? Our feed unit seems to be not functioning quite as it should be right now. It's specifically the feeder that's not working properly. That's why we've developed a new feeder. Yes, a new model, which we're currently printing on our printer. Right here, one of its essential components is currently being printed. And in the near future, we plan to subject it to a series of rigorous tests. Yes, and see exactly how it goes. We are still working incredibly hard to finally achieve the specific result where our mini triboelectric power station generates 24 volts of direct current with only 12 volts of input. And I truly think we are definitely going to succeed in all of this. Friends, our meeting for today has come to an end. Please make sure that you subscribe to all of our platforms. And be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section, ask any questions you have there, and I will answer them in our future podcast episodes. I read and see all your questions, the guys tell me about them. Be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, invite your friends and relatives so they can also subscribe to our channels. In general, this helps the project grow, friends. See you next time.